Take command of the road in the 2014 Chevrolet Tahoe. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors, and seats, leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, a roof rack, rear wipers, and more. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.